timed cooking options on an LG microwave oven. The timed cooking options on an LG microwave oven lets you program a specific cook time and power level. For best results, there are 10 power level settings in addition to high, which is 100% power. Note that if you do not select a power level, the oven will automatically cook at high, 100% power. To set timed cooking, touch the time key. Then select the desired cook time by pressing the numbered keys. For example, pressing 5, 3, and 0 will set to 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Now touch the power level key. Then select the power level by pressing the numbered keys. For example, pressing 8 will set the level to 80%. If no power level is selected, the cooking time will default to high, 100%. Please refer to your product owner's manual for the power level table. Touch Start/Enter to begin cooking. Most LG microwave ovens have the Add 30 seconds feature. By pressing the Add 30 sec key, you can quickly set the unit to cook at high power in 30-second increments, and the time can be stacked up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. This simplified control auto-starts, letting you quickly set and start microwave cooking without the need to touch Start/Enter. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.